SYJ-600M vertical holding pressure valve testing machine, designed for DN350-600 diameter butterfly valves, gate valves, and pipe fittings, covering a test pressure range of 0-10 MPa. It adopts a vertical holding structure, with clamping claws that can move radially and tighten. Water enters from the center, and exhaust is through the upper blind plate, optimizing observation needs for internal seal testing. The 4-cylinder clamping system has a single cylinder diameter of 160 mm, a maximum clamping force of 126 tons, and a stroke of 500 mm, suitable for large diameter workpieces. The hydraulic station system pressure is 31.5 MPa, equipped with a 4 kW motor and an 80L oil tank, using 46 wear-resistant hydraulic oil. Low-pressure water injection and high-pressure boosting dual pumps work together, with a maximum pressure of 16 MPa for the high-pressure pump. Pressure holding time is adjustable, and the test provides audible and visual alarms for passing results. The whole machine weighs 2.0 tons, with the base serving as a circulating water tank. The structure is compact, and operational interlocks ensure safety.